Hello dear students, how are you? Perhaps you will be fine, and I am here again to represent another online class. In the previous topic, we have discussed about electric potential energy due to system of charges by assembling the charges. Now the very good, very important, and very high numerical based on that topic. And this is the numerical because 3 point charges Q plus Q plus 2Q and minus 3Q are placed at the vertices of an equilateral triangle of length L. If these charges are displaced at point A1, this is B1 and this is C1, then what will be the net work done by bringing these charges? Charge of A shifted to A1 and charge of B shifted to B1 and charge of C shifted to C1. So dear student, what will be the find the amount of work done in shifting the charges to the new locations? So dear student, you know these are the length A, but this A1 L by 2, L by 2, L by 2 because they are the mid point. So dear student, first UI initial potential energy. What will be the initial potential energy? First, we bring the charge plus Q. When we bring the charge plus Q, no energy will be done because by bringing the first charge, no energy is produced. Now, but when we bring the another charge plus 2Q at the location of B, because at point B there is a potential of A, so work is done, and that work done is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. But instead of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, yes, you can write and you can take it common. That will be very fine. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. First two charges Q and 2Q and distance is L, right? Because this charge is brought on the potential of first charge. Now plus when we bring another charge, that is minus 3Q. When we bring the minus 3Q charges and it is the location at C, and at point C there was the potential of two charges, that is A and B. Now what will you do? Due to A work done, distance is L, charge is Q and another is minus 3Q plus distance is L due to this charge 2Q and minus 3Q. So distance that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2Q square upon L minus 3Q square upon L minus 6Q square upon L. Now what is the value? 6, 9 plus 2 minus 7. That is equal to minus 7 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into L and Q square, and this is U initial. Right? This is the initial electric potential energy. Now, by bringing these charges at the location A1, B1 and C1, what will be the final energy? So dear student, simply, and that will be the U final. Also 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. When we bring first charge Q1 shifted data, no work is done. Now the length is L by 2 between these two charges. With these two charges, this also length is L by 2, L by 2, L by 2. Because in equilateral triangle, this all are same, and all are equilateral triangle L1. Now here charge q, here charge 2q, and that is equal to q into 2q upon L by 2, right? Now plus, due to these two charges, when 3q dot and minus 3q is at the location of 2q and plus q, because the potential of at this point there is a potential of plus q and potential of plus 2q, and due to this, for this q into minus 3q upon L by 2 plus, due to this 2q minus 3q upon L by 2, and that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught L by 2 being common, and this is 2q square minus 3q square minus 6q square, and that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught L, 2 is ahead, and that is 6 9 minus 7 into 2 minus 14q square by L, right? Now total energy work done, that is equal to U final minus U initial, and U final minus 14q square upon 4 pi epsilon naught L minus minus plus 7q square 4 pi epsilon naught L. LCM is same, so it is minus 7q square upon 4 pi epsilon naught L, and this is the net work done in assembling these two charges. This is the very easy. Perhaps you got it. Simply when we brought first charge, no work is done. Work is done when we bring another charge on the potential of another charge, right? So perhaps there will be no problem in this question. This is a very simple way to solve this question. Now this is topic, and it was asked in the CBSE this year. This topic. Electric potential energy due to two charges system in an external electric field. Reduced strength. Here one thing is very important, because these are the two locations A and B. Already we will bring 2-point charges, two charges from infinity at the location A and B. But the thing is that because at this point already this is in the electric field of any charge system. So if in any electric field, definitely this is a charge q, this is electric field, and if this point, every point, it has a different potential, right? So just spend, let at point A potential of external electric field is V1. R1 is the position vector. Do suppose that charge exists here. This is the position vector. So this is V1 R1, and similarly for B, that is V2 R2. V2 R2. Right? It is spent. This is due to a single charge. When we bring from infinity a charge q1 at this location, when we bring charge q1 at A, in bringing charge q1 at A, do you know work is done or not? Guess. Yes, work will be done because there was already a potential of external electric field, external charge. So work will be done, and that is the W1 will be the Q1 V1 R1, because this is the potential. R1 denotes the position vector of that external field. Now, then in bringing charge Q2, in bringing charge Q2, at location B, was already potential, that is Q2 into V2 R2. But dear friend, because these are the potential of external electric field, any charge, because in this location, this point, there are 2 point, the different potential we bring first, second, definitely work well. But important thing is that, is this correct or anything missing? Yes, because we have brought another charge q1, because also there is a potential of q1. This is an external potential of external electric field, but there is also a potential of q1, and that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1, and distance, let us consider r12. This is the potential of q1, and also we bring the charge q2 at the potential of q1, and that is q2, and potential into charge. So net work done. W, that is equal to W1 plus W2, and that is equal to Q1 V1 R1 position vector plus Q2 V2 R2 position vector plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R12. This is the net work done. So dear student, that's very simple. So for your recapitulation, I am going to tell you simple. For any numerical, you can solve very easily regarding this topic, and this is a very simple way, simple, easiest. Simply, there is no external electric field. Simple work is done. When we bring first charge, no work is done. When we bring second charge, because there was a potential of first, work is done. When we bring third charge, there was at that location there was a potential of first and second. So two type of work is done. And in external electric field, definitely dear student, in every field there is a potential. You know very well, because suppose this is a charge q, and in this location there is a potential. This is v1, this is v2. Simply, this is the potential of this charge when we bring first charge here. Now, because there is a potential and the work done potential into charge. When we bring second charge, potential into charge, and but also because of this assembling of these two charges, work is done. Similarly, I have done in this question. So, dear student, you will have to practice a lot electric potential and capacitance. Right? If any problem exists, you can make or send a text to me. Right? And for your information, I want to tell you should have practice a lot for any reference book from NCERT. There's a lot of numerical of such type and lot of numerical that comes to the exam is very important for you. So dear student, thanks for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.